Hey guys, my name is Keian and you're watching Kiki with Keian. Today's video will be an unboxing video and I'll show you how I created this look using the things that were sent to me. So if that's something that you're interested, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Are you ready? Let's get started. Hey guys, thanks for joining me on this unboxing video. Special thank you to M2UNYC for sending this amazing package. Eye crayons in shade Electric Blue, Copper Storm, Silver, and Green Witch. Y'all, these glide on like butter. Next, metallic liquid lips in shade Empire State and Wild. These are so hydrating and the pigment, ooh, girl. And finally, we have the glitter eyeshadow set in shades Champagne Sparkles, Ruby Slippers, Onyx Diamond. Now let's get into this gig. Using the Jaclyn Hill and Morphe palette, I'll be using shade Certified to set the brow bone. Dipping into shade Crazy for my crease. And using shade Love Handles to blend it out. Next, I'll be using the M2UNYC eye crayon in Copper Storm to sketch out my lid. And adding shade Get Ready With Me. And because we are extra, we will be adding glitter eyeshadow in shade Ruby Slippers on the middle of the lid. And Champagne Sparkles in the inner corner for that sparkle realness. Guys, I love this little fan. Lining my eyes with matte liquid liner by NYX. Using Roller Lash Mascara. Add lashes. Highlight by Laura Mercier in shade Addiction. And topping it with M2UNYC glitter eyeshadow in the shade Champagne Sparkles. Lining the lips with Ben Nye pencil in Vino. In shade Wild for the outer perimeters of the lip. And Empire State in the center of the lip. And there you have it, guys. Well guys, what do you think? Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe so you don't miss on the next beat. Until next time, guys. Bye.